Tuesday, February 14th. This is a pre-opening SPY report about 20 minutes to go before the open. We had the CPI data released at 7:30, and the market, as usual, did its wild, swing up and then down, and now up a little bit, and now we're drifting lower. So you get this wide pre-market range here. What I'm going to really focus on is kind of the open. In terms of what that first 15-minute bar does, and then kind of let that guide me where I want to try to go today. We still have the green bar from yesterday, so if we stay kind of above the midpoint of that bar, which if you look at I'll flash it, that's kind of there, and start up green, then we could at least be trying to take out that internal liquidity at that point, this little high. Then you see at that point, if that fails or if that continues up, we'll probably go to that upper target, and you can see here on the broadening 3, 2 down, 2 up buy yesterday, we still have targets up above here, and that kind of relates to the pre-market high as well. So if we can get that up opening on the 15-minute chart, and then kind of break through this little area and hold, then we probably heading up there. On the other hand, we could certainly be starting to the downside, and this could be a 2 up, 2 down failure if we get that. I'm really looking to break yesterday's low, which is kind of the low of that little spike down we had real quickly, to be negative on the day. If the 15-minute chart opens up weak with a red bar down here, I'll give it a shot and see if we follow through past that point. That'll let me know that we might be failing, to broaden out above that high. 2 down day might then start triggering, a negative week. Then if we head down here to the last week's low, that turns the monthly chart red. So there is a possibility to really start down here, but we got to get below yesterday's low. And if we're going to do that, it's going to start from the middle of this range. So there are key levels to monitor. I don't really know which way it really wants to go. I could see the breakdown happening. I could see just pausing here and trying to still take out liquidity, the upside. So I'll judge that 15-minute bar in the middle of this range to start, and then kind of go from there. And I'll go with it, but I'll also know that if we fail to get the directional move either up or down, then get ready to reverse the other way type of thing. I mean, that's the way I'm seeing it. So we'll just see, is this turnaround Tuesday down to the negative side? And if we can get through this level and this yellow line, that could set off a big negative, move here below the weekly inside bar to the downside. We're still stuck inside this weekly bar. That's all that's happening so far in these first 2 days of the month. We have a wide pre-market range, so it's just going to be tough to know where things go until it opens and we look at structure on the day.